If you don't want to spend your entire life working for money, then you should probably figure out a way to make money work for you. In this video, we'll go over 10 strategies to make the most of your time or money to boost your earnings and build a good fortune for yourself. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe to the Inlet Financial Coaching channel. Now let's get started. Number 1. Create a budget. Making a budget is one of the best strategies to begin taking control of your finances if you're guilty of not knowing your income and your expenses. We've all heard this advice 1,000 times before, but how many of us truly follow through on it? A budget will show you whether your spending is within your means or not. It also enables you to direct your funds into the areas that are most important, allowing you to stay on top of your obligations, lower your debt, and start saving for your future plans. Your budget should include a total for all of your living costs so you can compare it to your take-home money. Eliminate or cut back on any excessive spending, and devise a smart savings strategy. Number 2, open a savings account with a high yield. You'll want to create an emergency savings account with around 6 months' worth of living expenses stashed in cash prior to actually sending your money off. Through this, you have the possibility of earning additional money as these accounts are typically available at online banks that avoid brick-and-mortar locations to keep expenses down. Number 3, develop passive income streams. This is one of the best ways to increase financial security. The term passive income most accurately refers to earnings made with little to no effort. Passive income streams enable you to make money while you're sleeping once they're set up. Even while it might seem too good to be true, building any kind of passive income stream will require an initial investment on your part, whether it involves time or money. But it can also pay off handsomely in the long run. It's true that as an entrepreneur, you'll probably always have to rely on the daily work you do for your customers. But you can get creative and look for alternative ways to earn money by utilizing your strengths and skills. Some of the popular kinds of passive income are silent partnerships in companies or real estate. But it may also be generated by creating YouTube videos through affiliate marketing on your channel. Monthly subscriptions are a common way for content creators to monetize their audience. Think of clever ways you could transform your services into a product that offers a service that generates passive income. Always think of the interests of your intended audience and make an effort to produce content that is truly valuable. Number 4, set up a retirement account. Retirement accounts, including 401k and IRAs, are investment accounts that represent your savings, are staked in the market, and have the potential to grow significantly over time. Acquiring the 401k is essential. You should save as much as you can to get your money into the market and have it operate effectively for your taxes. It would be a good idea to invest your money in either a Roth IRA or an IRA. Another option that many people overlook are HSAs, which are special savings accounts open to people with high deductible health insurance. One benefit of keeping money in an HSA is that you don't lose it and can quickly withdraw the cash anytime you need it for medical expenses without having to pay taxes on it. And it shifts into an IRA on your 65th birthday, at which point you are exempt from other fees. You could even pay for long-term care premiums and medical expenses. Number 5, consider investing in the market. Following your IRA and 401k, you should have an investment account. Participating in the marketplace is vital. Being active in the market is different from trying to time it. Most specialists will recommend avoiding putting money in, then pulling it out to capitalize on beneficial fluctuations and limit losses when the market crashes. The market's fluctuating dips should even out, leading to an overall gain. Therefore, in order to benefit from this effect, you must not tamper with your investments. It's recommended to keep your cash on hand for no longer than 3 to 6 months. People like having cash on hand, but inflation will deplete your savings. The idea that you need to have a lot of money to consider investing in the stock market is a common misconception. Number 6, invest in real estate. Investing in real estate isn't always a sure thing. Having said that, investing in residential or commercial real estate can be a good fit for you if you have the necessary cost and risk tolerance. You may consider purchasing a single home to live in as an investment, or you could invest elsewhere, such as in land to sell, shops, or houses that'll eventually be vacated. It's important to keep in mind that expanding your business outside of your home is dependent on your market and the demand for rentals and real estate. If there is space and you can handle the inconveniences, it is a possibility in most markets. However, you should take into account that several homeowners already view real estate as taking up the majority of their portfolio. As such, individuals looking to invest in real estate are advised to be wary of weighing their portfolios too strongly in favor of one type of asset. Number 7, join a business as a silent partner. Investing the money as a silent partner who does not participate in any aspect of day-to-day operations but reaps the rewards without the stress that comes with a startup business is a great strategy. There are certainly benefits and drawbacks to this approach. You won't be able to influence how the business is managed or the daily choices that employed people make. Although you still run the danger of financial loss, the advantage is that you'll receive a percentage of whatever earnings the company makes without putting in any long hours. Avoid investing your hard-earned money in a company that will fail if the venture fails. Make sure to conduct your own study if you want to lower this risk. Inquire about financial statements, forecasts, and business plans. You might have to sign an NDA, but you'll realize it's worthwhile. To make sure you're protected in the event that the company is sued, goes bankrupt, or encounters any other legal issues, you may also want to have a lawyer. Number 8, pay off your debt. Most people suffer with debt of some kind at some point in their lives, whether it be from credit cards, school loans, or other types of loans. And even while having debt may simply be a natural part of life, the sooner you can break free from it, the sooner you'll be able to manage your finances. Imagine this. For every dollar you use to lower your principal, interest on that amount is prevented, and it may mean paying off your debts years sooner than you anticipated. In other words, reducing debt faster results in long-term assured returns in your bank account. Number 9, pick credit cards that offer rewards. It may not appear that using a credit card is putting your money to work, but if you choose a card with rewards that match your lifestyle, every dollar you spend on it is working twice as much. No one really likes debt, but there are numerous credit cards available if you have the cash flow and certainty in your budget and you can diligently pay off your bill by the end of each month. This would not be the best course of action for you if you have credit card debt, though. Being able to pay off your account in full each month is the key to using credit cards to manage your finances. Number 10, take courses to earn a professional degree or certification. By increasing your value on the employment market, money can also work for you. You can potentially increase your market value to get paid more if you have the time and resources to invest in your education. Making oneself more marketable as a worker or professional doesn't necessarily involve spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. It could simply involve attending a workshop to improve your public speaking or even enrolling in a course to master Microsoft Excel. There are many free courses accessible online if you want to expand your skill set but lack the funds. Everybody has a different financial situation, so what works for one person might not work for another. However, you may learn how to make your money work for you with some trial and error and through these strategies we've shared with you. That concludes today's video, which we hope you enjoyed and learned something from. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Inlet Financial Coaching channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.